All right, so on a more positive note, let's talk about some jobs that AI is actually creating instead of taking away. We're also going to start with entry level jobs and then work our way up to the more technical, AI engineering jobs and things like that. So we're going to start with support and training roles. First job would be data labeling and evaluation roles. So with this job, AI doesn't learn on its own. It still needs people to review outputs, rate responses, correct mistakes, and label training data. So it looks like this is one of the fastest growing entry points into AI work if you're looking to make a change. The pay range is about 35,000 to 70,000, and the reality is that these roles are often stepping stones and that long-term growth usually requires moving into something more technical or specialized, meaning just more and more school. The more school, the better. So that would be a good entry level point if you're looking to get into AI work. Next would be AI trainers and prompt engineers. So this job actually blew up once generative AI became available to everybody. So AI trainers and prompt specialists focus on improving outputs and guiding systems towards better responses. Looking at a pay range of roughly 60,000 to 140,000. This field is still evolving, it says. So some companies are hiring heavily for it, but at the same time, there's a lot of companies that are starting to automate this kind of stuff. For this job, it's saying here that there's still no guaranteed long-term stability. So just keep that in mind if you're looking to get into something like this. All right, next, let's look at physical and infrastructure AI jobs. Robotics technicians will be one of them. So as AI moves into the physical world with warehouses, factories, and logistics centers, robots still need humans to install, maintain, and repair them. So these are hands-on roles, and the pay range is roughly from 60,000 to 110,000. So the training often comes from trade schools, community colleges, and mechatronics programs, industrial maintenance certifications. So this can be a realistic pivot for someone already in a mechanical or technical trade. Next, we have autonomous vehicle fleet maintenance. So as companies deploy robo-taxis and self-driving fleets, the vehicles still need people for diagnostics, software updates, charging systems, and physical repair. So even if driving jobs shrink, fleet maintenance roles still may grow. So the pay range is roughly from 65,000 to 120,000. This actually combines automotive skills with digital systems knowledge. All right, next we have AI safety, security, and rules. So as a cybersecurity professional, now you would have to understand how AI could be attacked or manipulated. The pay range is roughly from 90,000 to 180,000. That training includes security certifications, network defense, and risk analysts. So this is one of the more stable growth areas tied to AI at the moment. Next, we have AI compliance and governance. So as governments start regulating AI, companies need more people to understand the risk, the ethics, the bias, legal standards, and the policy compliance. So these roles are growing quietly behind the scenes. The pay range is roughly 80,000 to 160,000. And if you're looking to get into this, it's often filled by people with backgrounds in law, compliance, or corporate governance. Next is AI in healthcare. We have AI in medical diagnostics and imaging. So AI is helping doctors read scans faster and detect patterns more accurately. But AI assists, it doesn't replace the person. So this creates support roles in imaging technology, AI assisted diagnostics, and data analysts in healthcare. Your pay range is roughly from 70,000 to 120,000 depending on the role. So the training blends healthcare certification with technical literacy. Next, we have AI hospital operation roles. And this is where hospitals are using AI to improve scheduling, manage inventory, reduce waste, and improve patient flow. So these roles are behind the scenes, but they're also critical. The pay range is from 50,000 to 110,000, and these often require healthcare admin backgrounds plus data skills. All right, next we'll talk about the core AI jobs that we think about when we hear AI. So first is AI engineers. AI engineers build the models, they train systems, they improve accuracy and performance, they help companies turn AI into real products. So these roles are in high demand right now, especially at large tech companies and fast growing startups. Your pay range is roughly 120,000 to 250,000 depending on experience and the company. Said these jobs usually require years of technical training, computer science, software engineering, and strong math skills. So this is not a quick pivot. This is a long-term technical path if you were looking to get into something like this. Next job will be AI project managers. So AI project managers connect the tech for real business results. They decide What problem should AI solve? Is this model useful? And is this worth building for the business? So you don't always need to code for this role, but you do need strong tech literacy and business thinking. That pay range is roughly from 100,000 to 180,000. This could be a realistic path for someone already in management or in product roles. So I think it's a beautiful thing that AI is also creating jobs and not just eliminating. We're getting entry level all the way up until more and more technical roles that are being created. So I think that's a good thing to celebrate. And let's hope that the number of jobs keeps rising that AI will create. So until then, I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.